everyone, this is Sandy Creating the Heart, and I have a small amount of things that I've gathered up for a Destash. Okay, so this is PayPal only, US only, pay right away, and I will send it out as soon as I can. So this is a stamp lot. Almost everything in here is brand new. I just either have two of them, probably have two of them is the reason. So they're all brand new items. So I'm not selling them super cheap because of that. So just keep that in mind. So this is waffle flour. We blend, and it includes the dyes. I also have this one, which is also waffle flour. This one's called Lilac Dreams, and it also includes the dyes. I have, this is Sugar Pea Designs, and it includes the dyes. So it is the Hey Summer. So it's Hey Summer plus the dyes, completely brand new. This is the Sassy Club. I don't even know what this one is called, but that one's completely never used. Brand new, not even out of the package. This is from the Ink Road. And I don't know what this one's called either, but I think it's like I'm All Ears or something. But it is a background stamp, never opened, never used, brand new. I have, this has been used one time, and it is Spellbinders October Small Die of the Month. So there, that's what that is right there. And then I have the Stamp Market. I've used this one time, and it includes the dies. And then this is Bloomed, also from the Stamp Market, and does not include dies. And I've used this one. I don't think I've used this one at all. Maybe once. No, I don't think I've used it at all. So I think that one's brand new. So I am asking $50 shipped for these. Like I said, these are all brand new items. And so, you know, anyway, I spent way more than that on these items. So hopefully you guys are interested in that. My email is scoop71@yahoo.com. And then I have two boxes. So let's see. This one is $50. This is Stamp Lot. We're going to do a box number 1 here. I'm going to write 1 so I don't forget what I say. Okay, so it's box number 1, and let me get out all the stuff that's in this box. This one is just a lot of stuff that, you know, I've been cleaning out my, just all kinds of stuff. I'm cleaning out my house because I got my flooring done. I got my house, the inside of my house almost all painted, like my master bath was painted, my living room, my bathrooms, my hallways. So I cleaned out a lot of stuff between all that. So this is, all right, this is what we've got. So this is box number 1. So we've got some like gable boxes. We have this scrapbook kit. It's never been used, baseball one. These are vellum treat bags, never used. This is a My Creations pennant frame. And then I've got some larger sized gable boxes. These ones are pretty big. And then a little bit smaller ones. I think these are all Stampin' Up, for sure. So they can be all stamped on them and played with and all that. I have this LOL High Temp Glue Gun Mini. And did I open this? I don't think I did even open this. I think it's been opened, but I never used it. So, you know, anyway, there's that. And I'm trying to get this in here without destroying anything. Okay. Now, we also have a bunch of ribbon. So, whoa. Yikes. That was almost a disaster. A bunch of ribbon. So, this one, I think I got this from Really Reasonable Ribbon, a lot of these. I don't really know. This one is dark pink. It's really pretty. Just don't use ribbon that much. This one, I believe, is a Stampin' Up! Ribbon. I have no idea. It's like a purple color. This one is a metallic filament burgundy ribbon. And this one is pale blue. This one is a cream with a gold edge. This one is a rosy mauve. It has the gold edging on it. And I kept a lot of ribbon still, but I just need to get rid of this ribbon. This is like a hunter green. It's called Hunter. This one is a navy. It doesn't say this one is Stampin' Up. The ones with the numbers on them are Stampin' Up. So that one's a Stampin' Up ribbon. And this one is lavender. The ribbon's gorgeous. I don't use it and, you know, all that. This one is white, but it's got this, like, gold running through it. This is mauve. That one's really pretty. And this one is dark blue. This one is peach. This one is really pretty too. It's iris. And then this one is red. So there's all that. And then we've got this Christmas die and then this Pink and Main mini gift set. And then I also have, in this pack is this Scrapping for Less, Puppy Hugs, Scrapping for Less, Little Lady, and Scrapping for Less, I don't know. Excuse me, what that one is. But yeah, so those 3 stamp sets, those are never being used. All right, so that's box number 1, and it's $35. Shipped. And then box number 2. Let me show you what's in. Oh, sorry, this one's also a red that's going in that box too. That's not very much of it, actually. All right, so box number 2. All right, 2 on here, so I don't mess things up here. And this one has a lot of interesting things in it. All right, so this one has these True Fit folios by Close to My Heart. So they're 12 by 12. It just, sorry, when it didn't want to. And then this is from a kit from Paper Phenomenon, and it includes this calendar. It includes these different, I don't know what these are. I don't know, these different holders of some kind. All different kinds of little holder things. It includes bags and different tags and bags and stuff like that in here, and it was all part of a kit. So it's all in here. So that was part of a kit. I forget which one it is. Also in here is this Smash book, never used, has the pen and everything. And this one's a really good one, you know. I thought about letting my daughter have it, but I just want it out of here. I don't need more stuff. This is a watercolor book by Prima, and a couple sheets of this have been used. My daughter used them, but for the most part, there's a lot of pages in here. It says there's 45 sheets, so there's a lot in here. So don't worry about that. You're not ruining anything with that. And then this is an acrylic Creative Imaginations clipboard. And then I have the Dilutions Creative Diary that's never been used. So, okay. And then I've got, this is from Little Birdie. So I've got these rice paper sheets. 2 of that bird one, and then 1 of this cupcake one. And then I've got this Tailored Expressions layering stencil. I have this Tropical Paradise spellbinders. I have these dies, the stamp sets. This is Little Birdie. All this stuff. And then this is some hardware from a kit from Paper Phenomena. So all of that, this is number 2, and this is also $35. Okay, so that is what I have. If you're interested, please let me know by emailing me at scoop71@yahoo.com. Thank you for watching.